In this video, I'll show you step by step how to start affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2026 using AI. Please stop working 10 hours a day for pennies. In 2026, you don't do affiliate marketing, you let an AI machine do it for you. I'm currently banking over $1,000 every single day using new set and forget system, and the best part, I don't show my face, I don't record my voice, and I spend $0 on ads. Today, I'm handing you my entire blueprint for free, but pay attention. If you miss one step in this video, you will get zero traffic and zero commissions. Before we jump in, let me quickly explain what affiliate marketing is. Guys, affiliate marketing is simply recommending a product, and when someone buys using your unique link, you earn a commission. You don't need to create the product or the service, you don't need customer service, and you don't need any upfront investment. Your only job is to send people to the product or to the service using your unique link, and when they make a purchase, you get paid. That's it. And that's why affiliate marketing is one of the easiest way for beginners to start making money online. I have been doing this business for over 6 years, and I'm making over $30,000 per month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from different social media platforms. This is my affiliate account dashboard, as you can see guys over here, and just in 15 days I have made $17,345, okay? And just last month I have made $34,865, and it's paid, as you can see over here. This is my invoice, and you can see recent payment request details. It's paid. I already received this payment in my PayPal account. Anyway, for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing and take this business seriously, step number one, you guys need to join an affiliate marketing program. You need to join an affiliate marketing program that is paying good commissions. The best one, the profitable one that I'm working with is Fiverr. So just go to Google and search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. Of course, it's for free. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and just scroll down like this. Keep scrolling down. Go to company over here and click on affiliates like this. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliates website. You guys can scroll down so you can get idea about how much you will earn and how much this affiliate marketing program is paying. If you scroll down and if you go to this page over here, you guys can see here that for pro services you can earn up to 70% of the first order, which is really crazy commissions, guys. For pro services you can earn up to 70% of the first order. That's why I said this is the best affiliate marketing program that you can join in 2026. The best part with this affiliate marketing program, guys, that they keep paying you 10% of future orders, meaning you keep earning 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months for 1 year. If the same person, guys, the same person will keep buying more services for 1 year, for every transaction this person will make on Fiverr, you earn a commission of 10%, which is really profitable, okay? Anyway, if you want to create your affiliate account, go back to this page and click here on join now. And as you can see, guys, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliates program is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first name, your last name, email address, username, your password, confirm your password, account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? Click on this one and click on yes. And what you will do here is you will put your profile link, your social media profile link that you want to use to promote those affiliate services. So what you will do, guys, you will go and create YouTube channel or Pinterest account or Instagram page and put your profile link here. And at least before you put your social media profile link here, you need to create at least between 3 and 5 posts or 5 videos and post them in your page that you will use to promote those services so your account can get approved fast, okay? And click on country, choose your country from here. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. Click to choose your language from here. If you have Telegram account, just put your Telegram account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates, and this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. You should see your commissions here, your clicks, your CTR, people who used your affiliate link to sign up to Fiverr, and people who used your affiliate link to buy services from you. It's clear here. What you need to do next, guys, is you need to open Pinterest business account. We will use Pinterest, guys, to promote our Fiverr services, okay, and to get free traffic. We don't need to pay for any ads. Go to Google, search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Pinterest, okay. It's super easy and simple. Why we choose Pinterest? And if we click over here, guys, Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors, meaning that you guys can get so much traffic from Pinterest. Please keep in your mind, you don't need followers. Okay, please. You should understand that Pinterest is a search engine platform. It's not like Instagram, it's not like TikTok, it's like Google and YouTube. So what's important on Pinterest is SEO. Okay, it's your keyword, it's your content, it's your title, your description, your pin picture. This is what you need to focus on. It doesn't matter if you have 0 followers, 1 followers, 5, 10. It doesn't matter. What you need to focus on is SEO. Okay, Pinterest SEO. I will explain to you more how you can use it. Okay, so once you create your Pinterest business account like this, what you will do next, you will click on the search bar of Pinterest and you will type here keyword. So for example, let's type social media. Guys, just put keyword and Pinterest will give you the topics that people are searching for. Pinterest will give you the topics that Pinterest users are searching for on Pinterest. So that's how you can promote services that people will be interested to buy from you. If you are using this method, you are promoting services that people are already searching for. Okay, so you guys can see here I type social media and Pinterest suggests these topics: social media design, social media post, social media marketing, social media post design, social media ads, social media manager. Let's pick this example, social media manager. What you will do next, you will go back to Fiverr, to your Fiverr homepage, and click on the search and search for social media manager. It's already popular right now on Fiverr, okay, because this service, guys, has high demand. I will prove this to you. Let's click on social media manager. Click on search for social media manager. Scroll down. Here is what you need to do next. You need to choose good sellers. How you can choose good sellers, guys? Always choose like level 2 seller, top rated sellers, and pro sellers. Those sellers will be good sellers. Why you need to choose good sellers? If people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you, because people will go and they will check the reviews, they will check the feedback of their customers. If they find that those sellers, they are providing good service for their customers, they will also buy from your affiliate link and you can earn a commission. It's clear, okay? So here is, let's pick one as an example, okay? So for example, like this one is top rated seller. He has almost 5-star, a lot of reviews, almost 1,000 reviews. Let's click on his service, okay? And here you go. You guys can see what I'm talking about. Do you see? This seller has 49 orders in queue. People keep coming back. This service is evergreen service, meaning that people can keep buying this service over and over and over, and you will keep earning 10% revenue share. So this one is a good one. This is the proof. You guys can see already people placing orders here on Fiverr, so they are already buying. So you are promoting services that has high demand. That's how you can make commissions. So what you will do next, you will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on your dashboard. You have dashboard, marketing tools, report, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here, paste, and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. This will be your Fiverr affiliate link. This one, guys, Fiverr marketplace new plan. If you are promoting level 1, level 2, top rated sellers, this will be your affiliate link. If you are promoting pro services, this one, Fiverr Pro new plan, will be your affiliate link. If you are promoting logo services, this one, logo maker, will be your affiliate link. So we just created our affiliate link. What we need to do next is we need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Guys, I also have this option, Fiverr Step Old Plan, because like I said in the beginning, I have been doing this business for over 6 years. I still have this option, Fiverr Step Old Plan, because this is an old Fiverr affiliate account. But it's the same, this one, Fiverr Pro new plan, it's almost the same like this Fiverr CPA old plan. Okay, look, I just shared with you almost everything, but if you want to take this business seriously and avoid bans account, mistakes, errors, I have created a step-by-step affiliate marketing course that explain everything, how you can create faceless content without showing your face, without using your voice, which services, profitable services that you need to promote, and how you can use free traffic from different social media platforms, from YouTube, from Quora, from Reddit, and so much more. If you want to take this business seriously, feel free to reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will send you all the details you need to join. Okay, so anyway, let's complete our video, guys. Like I said, what we need to do, we just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, so let's go to Pinterest, go back to your Pinterest homepage, click on home feed and click on create pin. Okay, and here you go. So what we need to do next now is we need to create high quality pin picture. And what we will do, guys, of course, we will use AI. We will use ChatGPT and Sora AI. So we will go to ChatGPT. So just go to ChatGPT and ask him to give you a prompt that you will send to Sora to create high quality Pinterest pin picture that you will use to promote social media manager service on Pinterest, and click over here, and ChatGPT will give you a good and high quality prompt. What you will do next, guys, you just need to copy this prompt. Okay, like this. Just copy this prompt. And what you will do next, you will go to Sora. Go to surachatgpt.com and click over here on describe your image and paste your prompt here and click over here, and Sora will create high quality pin picture for you guys just in few seconds. When I started this business, guys, AI doesn't exist. For you guys, you have so much AI tools that will help you to make content just in few seconds. You just need to copy and paste. And here you go, guys. Do you see? We have two pictures and they are really in high quality. They are good. Look at this one. Need social media manager, content growth engagement, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. You grow your brand online. This picture looks really good. This one is a good one. I will click on this one. I will choose this one and I will click here on download to download this picture to my laptop, and I will go back to Pinterest, click over here, and I will upload my picture that Sora created for me. And here you go. What you need to do next, you need a title and description. You will go back to ChatGPT and ask him pin and description too, and this is super important. Mention in description that this is an affiliate. Okay, like this, you are respecting Pinterest guidelines and you will not get any problems. Always in your Pinterest pin description mention that you are an affiliate marketer. Here you go. You have different titles, so you can copy those titles, see which title is working for you. You can test all those titles. The title that is getting clicks, double what's working, avoid what's not working. Put your title here, go back to ChatGPT. This is your description. Okay, looking for professional social media manager to help you grow your brand online, and here you go. Okay, you see this affiliate disclosure. This pin contain an affiliate link. I might earn a commission at no extra cost to you if you decide to use this service. That's good. So what you will do is you will just copy hashtags, keyword, everything. AI will gives you everything. You just need to copy and paste. You see? And let's put this description here. You see? What we need to do next, we need to put our affiliate link here. We will go back to our Fiverr affiliate account and we will copy our affiliate link from here. We will go back to Pinterest and put this affiliate link here. Scroll down, click on choose a board. If you have a new account, click on create a board. You just need to give it a name and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I will choose this one. You need here to put tags. You will go back to ChatGPT and ask him to give you tags. Super easy. Guys, you should start using AI, okay? You can, once you start, here you go, this is your tags. Once you start uploading pins, always get back to AI and take a screenshot of your data, of your Pinterest data, send it to AI, and AI will give you and suggest what you need to do, what you need to change, what you need to improve, what you need to scale. It will help you a lot. Social media, social media, here I will put manager, community manager, put all the keyword here related to social media manager. Okay, once you finish, just click on publish and here you go. You just published your first affiliate link, affiliate offer on Pinterest. That's exactly how you can start Pinterest and how you can start affiliate marketing in 2026 using AI. Okay, for people who are asking how much we will earn if one person buy the service from our affiliate link, let's go to this page here, guys. We are promoting just top rated sellers services, this one, marketplace gigs, just so we will earn 25% of the first order. And this service, guys, just the basic package starting from $150. Okay, because some people can buy standard package, some people can buy premium package. Let's take as an example just the basic package and let's go to ChatGPT and ask him what is 25% of 150. Yes, okay, let's click here. Guys, they are paying good commission. That's why I said you don't need million of views, you don't need millions of followers. You just need to target the right people and promote services that people will be interested to buy. And if just with few traffic, you can make good commissions. You guys can see for just the basic package, it's $37 for one single commission, one single sale. $37. It's a good commission. It's not like other affiliate programs. Other affiliate programs, they are paying just few cents. They will pay you just $2-3. This one $37. Okay, they are paying good commission, guys. Okay, always promote services that has high demand. If you don't know what to promote, you guys can go over here to Fiverr. You see this one, you have here trending and you will have access. If you click on trending, you can see here all services that are trending, especially those AI services. Focus on AI services, you can make good commission. AI agents, AI mobile apps, AI website software, data model training, AI technology consulting, generating engine optimization. Those services, guys, has high demand. AI services has high demand. Go, you can see here trending and here you go. Do the same, use the same system, the same method that I shared with you. Use AI, use ChatGPT for good SEO, use Sora to create good eye-catching pin pictures, and that's it. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. Of course, you need to stay consistent and you need to double what's working, avoid what's not working and double. You always check your Pinterest account and see which pins are getting clicks. The pins that are getting a lot of clicks, keep promoting more pins like this, and the pins that are not getting any clicks, just avoid those. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you want to learn and take this business seriously, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. I will share with you a lot of methods that will help you, and see you in my next videos.